You've been working from a very young age and that too relentlessly. And lockdown had brought everything to a standstill. I mean, now I'm sure you started working, but then there was that 4 or 5 months period when you started, growing, vegetables and doing hydroponics farming. And how did it start? I mean, what made you want to start that during that time? Did you always like plants?
Actually, no. I didn't know what I liked because for the
Oh, come
last,
on, you
like
do.
for the last, for the since I can remember, from the 11th standard or so, I've been working, and I've only been working. I've only lived out of a suitcase. I do not. So when people ask me what are your hobbies, also. I like acting. I used to say, like, no, that's your job. That's not a hobby. So because I did not have the time to actually understand what were my likes, what were my dislikes, what did I enjoy doing. I've only been working
Right.
for as long as I can remember. So this is the first time that I had this time to myself to even understand what exactly do I even like to do in my free time. And then I remember when this lockdown was called for, uh, like everybody else, Che and me got into the car to go buy groceries. And it was such a nerve-wracking experience because we didn't know how long these groceries are going to were going to last. We don't know.
Okay.
They were saying the shops are going to be shut.
Right.
So rationing. Prati household, no,
Yeah.
there was rationing and
Correct. Stocking up
stocking
and
on food. I remember all of us discussed this, kada,
oh
rationing
no.
of food, of everything. So it struck me that we are here working, we worked hard, we thought of other things, but we never thought that it's as simple as food. It's as simple as last law. Our basic necessity is only there's a roof over our head and there's food to feed us and the health of our family.
That's right.
And it just like was like, no, I will never be in this position again where I cannot put food on the table for my family. So that's where the
Wow.
thought came into my mind that terrace garden, that there should be food, that I should be able to grow my own food and
Sustain your
sustain my
family.
family, in any kind of pandemic or any kind of emergency. I should not be so dependent
For your basic,
for
needs.
something so basic for existence. We've put our hands literally, put our lives literally in other people's hands.
True.
So this was about taking control back of our lives.
Right.
What little control we could. So that was the beginning, and then I fell in love.
Not just you growing, grow with me hashtag is
Yeah.
like a little moment. You made millions grow with you. Not just that, you brought experts to, give them affordable ideas to grow and, budget, with low budget, they can do so much. And even if it's a balcony, I've seen pictures and videos little kids send to you with their plants. It must be so gratifying. But why did you think that you have to do this with everybody?
So I realized that this time was a difficult time for many people. Emotionally, it was a very dark phase, right? I had my lows as well. I don't know about you. There were ups and
Right,
downs,
of course.
because we were just displaced from our usual routines and uncertainties, of this disease, of this virus, of what's going to happen next, the health of our family, the stability of our job. It was such a negative period, and when I started growing, I just felt at this time with the plants and just watching from a seed break open, come out, come, like it breaks open to feed you, and you know, this plant from this
Right.
40 days, and you working with in the soil, and it's therapeutic, it's calming to the mind, and I never realized how soothing and it is to the mind. So I just wanted more people to share it. I wanted to share my experience with more people. So it was mostly about that. I just wanted to share this positivity with as many people as I could, because of the situation that we were in, and to focus more on something that had a positive outcome.